Hello everybody, I am Romina Massa from Doll of a Kind, and today I want to share with you how I'm going to style Addie's wig. Here is Addie's with a jade green eyes from Doll of a Kind. Isn't she gorgeous? So I am trying to make her more beautiful, and I chose these beautiful wigs, which is Cleopatra wigs. You can find it in my Etsy shop. Look, the colors. It has two parts. From this side is more pink and purple, but from this side more like a jade, greens, and of course purple. But look how gorgeous is the mixing color here. Can you see? We could make braids, we could make ponytails, and it's gonna look so beautiful, so beautiful. So let's put Addie's wig. This is a good way to put the, I don't know if you can see, there, the wigs. So I put the wigs on the desk, then you position the head on the wig, and the only thing you have to do is pull up. So try to put the middle part right in the middle of her head, and that's it. Perfect. This is a easy way to put the wigs, and you don't tangle the hair. So here is she. Let me move there. Can you see? So now I'm going to style a little bit her hair. Most of the time when you receive the wigs, it needs a little bit of styling because it took too long between the shipments. So what I do is I'm going to wrap her feet on the pedestal, so she is more tight. So here is she. What I do with this kind of straight hair is sometimes I use the iron to iron these little frizz hair. So remember that these wigs are heat resistant, so you have to know this. This is a synthetic fiber, so it is plastic, okay? It's made by from the PVC with a lot of process, but it's made by PVC. It's a good and high quality material, so it's heat resistant. So what I do is, first I need to heat the hair like this. I use my iron because it's very safe in a low degree, 140. I know that the wig is, you can heat till 350, but it's not necessary sometimes. So, and then look, this is what the wigs work. You have to style or to make a curl or to make a straight. First you have to heat the fiber, and then you make the curl, and you wait till the heat goes down. So here we have the first one. We continue with the second part. Look the colors from here. Isn't she beautiful? So and I make a little. Be careful because sometimes it could be very hot. Be careful with your hands, okay? And you style like this. Another. It is so easy, it is so silky, and she's gonna be very beautiful. The same thing if you wanna make the straight wig with the wavies or curl. First you heat the fiber, and then, for example, and then if you want to make a curl, of course you need to wrap less hair like this sometimes. So you heat, okay, and reheat. Be careful because it's gonna be very, and then you make like this and you wait. Or if you have these hair accessories, I don't know how it's called, to make a curl, you see? But you need to wait till the heat goes down. And don't worry because you can make it straight again with a flat. You see? Be careful. Here I am making like a semi-curl at the end. Let's proceed with the other one. Can you see? It is very easy. I wanna show you the beautiful color that the wig has in between. Look. Isn't she pretty? I don't know if you can see there. Yes. The blended color. So I don't know, maybe a few of you have seen on other posts that I made how to make a braid or ponytail, and this part of the cap, how to hide this part of the cap. Let me show you. I don't want to make a long video, but sometimes it's necessary if you want to learn. This is practice, okay? This is practice. So what I do is I wrap a little bit from here. First I make a middle part and I pull the hair to this side, okay? Then I continue with the layer behind, under, sorry, sometimes, and I cross to here, okay? If you have a clip, I don't have here right now, you put the clip here, you put the clip here, in terms of making the work more easier. And then you wrap this part from here and you cross to here, okay? And then you wrap this part from here. Look how gorgeous is the color. Okay, and then this part from here, and you pass to here. Look. So right now, when you have all the cap covered. Let me show you. Oh, I don't know if you see. No, here, there. And you put, and I'm going to make the same. To this side. Can you see? Sorry if you don't see. Sorry, bad angle. Can you see how to make it? Look how beautiful color she has. Okay. Well, let's continue. I don't know. Let's continue with the second part. So we can see she finished. Let's make more iron here. At the front of the wig, sometimes the wig is like falling down and forward like this. So I want the wig looks like this to show this part also. So in this case you have to wrap the hair and to pull and to pass the iron, but backward like this. Okay, to make also style. Can you see? Be careful. It's gonna be, and you press a little bit and wait till the heat go down, because it's the only way to mark the wig. Okay, can you see? I love when the wig makes like this. So here is she. I'm going to finish a little bit, but look how gorgeous is she. Here I have I don't know if you can see her like this, and I don't know, what do you think if I put this to her? I think she is gonna be really nice and elegant, right? Well, I hope you enjoy this tutorial and tips. So stay tuned. If you like it, please subscribe, and you can follow me on Instagram also, and my Facebook page. And I'm going to share these beautiful pictures soon. I'm going to take her today, and look how is she. Look this beautiful hair, so silky. Look at this color. Well guys, thank you for watching, and we see you next time for more tips and more things to share. Bye bye and have a good day.